Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike AIR ZOOM SUPERREP 3. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you, let's go. Today we've got a look at the Nike AIR ZOOM SUPERREP 3. We have done some SUPERREP reviews in the past, so check those out if you get the opportunity to. But we've got the newest in the SUPERREP line, and it's third rendition with AIR ZOOM. And we got this in the white metallic silver vault colorway in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. With it being a active and you're probably going to use these working out, it's in the orange Nike box right there. And it's not lifestyle, because for those that don't know, the orange box is for performance and athletic use, whereas the red Nike box, that's like lifestyle. But a lot of Nike sneakers, obviously they started out as athletic, whereas performance sneakers, it's only that the orange one indicates that its proper use is for athletic wear and performance use. With all that said, these in particular, the SUPERREP 3 is for a multitude of workouts. It is initially and purposely, these were designed for HIIT training, and you've got to do a lot of mountain climbing, burpees, squats, all with these sneakers. That's what the intended use of these sneakers are going to be for. Having so much technology, which we'll delve into, hopefully it will benefit your workout that tiny bit more. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole has the rubber treads that you can see around, and you can kind of see the flex point here, the flex brace, which I'll show you when we move on to the midsole unit. But you can see all around you've got rubber traction, and it looks wide as well. So the sneaker itself has a wide base. It's there to help you be more stable whilst you're working out. And you can see like a little shank plate where you can see the Nike swoosh. The midsole unit, you got your foam midsole there, but what's more predominant, you can see it right there, is the two AIR ZOOM pods. Obviously, with it being the AIR ZOOM, it's really great for that energy return for every step and every jump that you take. And you can see, as I mentioned, the frame, this little brace. So this acts as a reinforcement for your movement, and it's there just to be more flexible as well. There, if I push it in, you can see it right there. But it maintains the shape. Just above that, so you can see the SUPERREP logo that kind of continues from the foam that's underneath right there. Just a little thing I do want to point out. So this colorway is really dope, obviously with it being a highlight yellow, and you can see it like the SUPERREP motto, I would say. It says rep, sweat, repeat on the right, and on the left it says dare, defy, do right there. The upper obviously is made out of that mesh, so your feet can breathe. A lot of perforations there, so the airflow. For those that don't know, your feet are probably the most sweat-inducing parts of your body, so it's only right that you get air whilst you're working out, go through it. The metallic parts, so you got the heat-pressed plastics right there at the heel, at the back of the sneaker. Flat laces, normal lace system, so you've got like a microfiber tongue as well. Ankle support, very nicely padded. Hopefully it will make your feet way more comfortable whilst you're working out. The insole, foam insole, SUPERREP logo inside. Heel, not much to show you, but you got that foam right there, and you got more of the heat pressed plastics that makes the shape, and a padded heel, you can see it right there also. So I'm going to try these on, let you know how comfortable these are. So roll that footage of me trying these SUPERREP 3s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 when it comes to Nike. My toes are where they need to be. In regards to the comfort, this feels really comfortable, guys. Breathable because of the mesh that makes the upper. I do feel like an extra spring in my step because of those Zoom pods that are there on the forefoot, and the frame as well. So obviously there being a gap, it does help stabilize and reinforce every step as well, believe it or not. And yeah, it feels like a spring. It's much like the Air Shocks from Nike, but with more Zoom technology, which is, in my opinion, more comfortable than your normal Nike Air Bubble. But yeah, if you're looking for a new HIIT training sneaker for your workouts, I recommend you get the SUPERREP 3. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.